So just to let you guys know, it's raining in California. We're here. I'm gonna walk over the thing to see if it's wet underneath of it, and it's completely dry. In fact, I'm pushing the water out so you guys can see how much water is coming in, but very convenient to have this and to take anywhere. All right, today we're gonna bring a retractable patio. Everything's included in here, except for the tools. They give you the manual and the step-by-step how to install this. So we're gonna set it up because we do have an air conditioner in an area where we don't want water to actually drip on it. It's gonna start raining and we want to make sure we protect that area. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how you can do this easy at your home. You don't need to mount anything towards the wall. It's retractable, easy to put away and move around. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works. All right, this is the hardest part right here. After you put in your pole, you gotta slide this in here, and this is gonna be tricky because it has to go with the mesh, with the actual material. All right, so here it is, the final product, guys. We're covering it up. We have it right over our roof line. If you guys can see, plenty of clearance. Water comes this way. It comes from the top down, dripped here. So we're gonna try to cover as much as we can so we can avoid any kind of algae growing in there, and that's what we're gonna do. So water kind of retains in this area. We want it away from there. So this is a perfect product for that thing. So let me demonstrate how it works. So the way it works, you grab the pole here and you bring it down as much as you want. So right now we're going to bring it all the way down so you guys can see it. Now adjusting this was very simple. The line that I set these up is exactly the line where the actual ribbon goes in there. So we'll set this up and I'm going to show you another part that you can do to get more shade. So if this is not enough shade for you guys, there's another option. So this is pretty much the whole entire thing, and I'm going to show you another option you could add to this to get more shade, right? They give you this Velcro attachment, extra attachment, very strong, right? And there's Velcro attachment to it, if you guys can see it. You could tie down to a floor if you want. It has these little rivets here. So here's the attachment. I'm going to start attaching extra shade. So find your shade area. That's pretty much how it works. So let's take a look at it on the back end. All right, so this is Velcro in, if you guys can see it. The rivets are for in case there's windy and you got to tie them down to the floor. This will give you enough shade here, coverage. Like I said, these are removable. That screw is not that tight. You could take it off or you could tie it out with any kind of tool or your hand. Adjusting the size that you want to fit your actual ceiling. This is it right here. You adjust it, and then there's springs in the bottom, which in the water, it's distilled water right now because it's been raining out here. So you could tie this up one direction and then loosen it up, and you could take this whole thing to go. Now the bar itself is very simple to remove. It's not heavy. If you want, remove this one from here or adjust it. If you guys can see the pole, you can readjust this. And I'm going to show you the actual best part of this is that everything's adjustable, including this too. So make sure you size this pole here to reach to the top. All right, like once again, size this pole up here to make sure it reaches to the top, and then you tie this in here. Right, this could be either or on either side, but I prefer the inside. So when it was raining, I don't have to step out. I could readjust it, and adjusting it from there to there, very simple, easy process. So let me show you how to bring it back up again. I'm gonna start removing this first. That's down. We're gonna go back up. It's windy, you can always bring it back up. Tie it up a little bit, just a little bit more, so you could get that crunch in there. That's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.